The winner, the Bank of the Year Brazil, is Itau Unibanco.
Hello, I'm Silvia Pavoni, economics editor of The Banker, and I'm here with Renato Lulia, who is the chief executive of Itau BBA International and our winner for Brazil. So Renato, welcome and congratulations for the awards for Itau Unibanco, which is the parent company, of course, of the business that you lead. Now, I know that you've just come back from Sao Paulo, a big meeting with the top management, and the key theme you were saying earlier was technology, which is also something that we very much appreciated from the entry that you guys submitted for the awards. So tell me.
Exactly, that was the key theme of our meeting in Sao Paulo. We see technology as being the central and most important challenge and opportunity that we face in the next years. It's part of the fact that we've been investing heavily on technology for the past many years. And a result of that, just an example, is that 3/4 of the transactions that we do already are internet-based, either internet, home, or mobile. But we still feel that we have to do more. So we got the whole management team together to define how it's going to be the path forward, but know one thing for sure. Digital, it's a matter of, it again is opportunity, but it's also a matter of survival for the firm. And I think we're extremely well positioned to carry on what we've been doing and do even more in terms of connectivity, easy of use, and make at the end of the day making banking a better experience for our clients.
It's a big push there for the bank. Something else that we very much appreciated was the fact that you guys anticipated the downsides in the economy in Brazil with sufficient timing so that you could change and move around your risk profile. And you managed to close 2015 with good results. 2016 has been perhaps a relatively better year, and 2017 is going to be an even better year in relative terms. What's the forecast?
That's what we hope. Listen, Silvia, I think it's fair to say that 2016 has been a good year, and just as a fact that we're finishing better than we started. So I think 2016, as you said, I think we saw we managed to anticipate part of the downturn in the Brazilian economy and to some extent in Latin America, and we prepared the bank for that. And because of that, I think in 2016 we managed to serve all the stakeholders well, meaning we were very active with all our business and clients. We kept engaged with the communities as we do with different projects in our social side, and not less important, I think we did a good job serving our shareholders, and we were posting still a 20% return on equity. Which is
a very healthy ratio.
Exactly, despite of the headwinds that we faced.
That's right. So the expectation for 2017 in terms of economic growth is around perhaps 1-2% of growth, which is not bad coming from a deep recession. But also the expectation is for interest rates to go down, which is good for a market such as Brazil, which has been characterized by high interest rates that have kind of slowed down a little bit the development of capital markets. So this is good news.
Precisely, those are good news. So we do see interest rates going down next year, especially after the last couple minutes. The Brazilian central bank indicated that they will accelerate cutting interest rates. And as per growth, we stand at 1.5% forecast for next year, with a slight downside risk to that number. But compared to a contraction of 4% that we had in the past 2 years, it's definitely good news. And as you said, that's gonna help companies. That's gonna help capital markets. We've been having a quite busy last quarter. This is the first December, I remember, in many years where we are to price 2 IPOs. So hopefully the pipeline that we have is gonna become a reality next year.
Very well. Well, best of luck for next year, and again, congratulations on your award.
Thank you, Silvia.